Baby, it's cold outside. So today I want to show you how to stay warm inside and create these adorable and tasty snowman s'mores with your loved ones. With the holidays approaching, this is a fun treat to create on a cold winter day. And with no campfire needed, you'll be enjoying these s'mores in no time. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need large marshmallows, chocolate chips, graham crackers, pretzel sticks, and candy corn. We'll be using a microwave in place of that open flame, so be sure to have a microwave-safe plate on hand. Okay, we have our ingredients ready, so I have to ask, do you want to build a snowman? Let me show you how. First, you'll cut 2 marshmallows in half, place 3 halves on the graham cracker with the sticky side down. Microwave until the marshmallows puff, but have a helper watch really carefully because it only takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Next, add the pretzel sticks to create the arms, add the chocolate chips to make up the eyes and the buttons, and of course, the candy corn will be our snowman's nose. Set our snowman s'mores aside to cool, that is, if you can resist the gooey goodness. We still have 1/2 of a marshmallow left, so let's keep creating. Place the marshmallow half on a graham cracker square, microwave again, watching carefully until we get that puffy marshmallow face. Add 2 chocolate chips for the eyes and a candy corn for the nose. Make these snowmen ahead of time for a whimsical treat at any party, or if you're like me and my family, enjoy on the spot with a hot cup of cocoa and a good movie. Enjoy, and happy holidays from all of us here at Fresh Dish Foodie.